Welcome to our 4_AR44 Automobile Sparkles. On this channel, we reimagine cars from around the world with AI, from classic legends to futuristic hypercars. Every video is crafted with passion for cars, design, and creativity. 2021 Maruti Swift, the daily driver redefined. Fire, India Spec. Looking for the perfect blend of style and everyday practicality? Meet the 2021 Maruti Suzuki Swift, India Spec, Redefined. Upgrade your daily drive. Sparkles. This 2021 Maruti Swift, India Spec, is turning heads with its tasteful mods, custom black alloys, OEM-style body kit, and a clean white and black finish. Perfect for navigating the vibrant streets of India. India, what's your favorite daily driver mod? This beauty features custom black alloy wheels, a subtle OEM body kit, and striking LED DRLs, all wrapped in a crisp white and black dual tone. We caught it cruising through a bustling Indian city, proving that daily driving can be an experience. What's your go-to mod for your daily ride? Share it in the comments. Don't miss out on more awesome car content. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel today. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI car mods. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Share with your car enthusiast friends. Follow me for more content. YouTube at our 4_AR44.